in this program, measure their execution time in nanoseconds. The first method we'll examine is the addition-subtraction swap. Next, we move on to the XOR method. This bitwise operation enables swapping without a temporary variable and without arithmetic operations. Multiplication division method. Now, let's look at the multiplication division method. Tuple pair method. Finally, we demonstrate the tuple or pair method, which swaps the values using a data structure like an array. After swapping with tuple, A is new value and B is new value. To measure the time taken for this method, we capture the current time before and after the swap, then calculate the difference in nanoseconds. Through this program, we've compared the performance of different swapping techniques in Java. Each method has its own strengths and use cases, and by measuring their performance, we've gained insights into their efficiency.